Hi there guys, I'm back again on YouTube showing you the Saw 2 movie. Oh yes, there will be blood. Mature 15 years old. I had to put a sticker on there because obviously it came as 18, as I'm showing you on this front, which was a bugger. It is a reversible cover. And also, there's a spine. But yeah. He's my favourite actor. The guy there on the last bit of the puzzle. Look at that trap. It's cool, isn't it? I like the extras on this movie. Haven't seen them yet though. I suppose they're all going to be the same as the British 2-disc set, but just put into the one in Region 4, but I don't know. Worth trying out. Jamie, would you like to come over here? Can you help? I'll just open it. And this is the disc. So this is what me and Jamie have done. We've covered up that, but I'm not fussed about this white sleeve cover because I'm not going to bother to turn it round, return it round to having that as the front cover, which is the one with the fingers saying Saw 2 and having all that kind of stuff. As Region 4, disc is clean, everything. All the actors in this film were amazing actors, and as a collector, I just collect every edition that is readable to my standard for my multi-region player, and all of you Saw fans, I did this for you, and bye. Jamie hasn't seen this movie yet, have you?
No.
Nah.
I'm sure we'll watch it.
Yeah, well, me and Jamie are going to watch it together, even though I've seen it before, and there's a part in the film that made me jump, but I can't tell Jamie because he's right next to me what it is. So, I know what it is. So, bye. Comment with thumbs up or down.